Hey Gen Z and millennials, ready to level up your career game? Today, I'm showing you how to create a killer resume that'll get you noticed by your dream employer. Let's dive in. Your resume is your ticket to the job interview. It's your chance to showcase your skills and experiences in the best light possible. But in a sea of applicants, how do you make yours stand out? Let's break it down. First things first, let's talk layout. Keep it clean, concise, and professional. Choose a font that's easy to read, and use bullet points to organize your information for maximum clarity. Next up, let's highlight your skills and achievements. This is where you shine. Whether it's certifications, awards, or successful projects, make sure to showcase what sets you apart from the competition. Now, here's a pro tip. Tailor your resume to the job description. Highlight relevant skills and experiences that align with what the employer is looking for. It shows you're the perfect fit for the role. Last but not least, don't forget the final touches. Double-check for typos, grammatical errors, and formatting inconsistencies. Trust me, attention to detail goes a long way. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, you're well on your way to crafting a top-notch resume that'll impress any employer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more life tips and tricks. Until next time, go out there and chase your dreams.